welcome everyone, this is DAC Man Barry, and this is Season 5. If you're DAC Gang, you better hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification next to it. What am I doing? Either I'm getting ready to go out into Corona land, or I got something messy to do.
Mother of God.
So why do we have everything open is because I want to clean out all of this junk, like that stuff, leftovers from the latest repairs. Okay, but we have some areas here that really need to be repaired.
I admire your honesty.
Batteries may come out, and yeah. It's actually a little bit overwhelming when you look at it like this, because it's the kind of job that would require tearing everything apart. I still got to get that thing done. It ain't coming out with tools, so I'm gonna have to cut it. Now we got all this area here. What the hell is going on here? Obviously the exhaust is garbage. What is that? I don't know what that is. Some of the areas are not like really bad. Like you look at this is solid. It's just the sheet metal on top that's crapped out. Problem is that they use a lot of old sheet metal. And obviously if something starts rusting, it'll just keep on rusting, you know. So we also have whatever compartment this was for.
That's not ours.
Honestly, I'm not sure why it's even here. But one of the good things I did see is this. Now, this is supposedly a Raba engine made under license from M.A.N. DACs also came with the Romanian built version. They weren't as good as the Raba motors, but this is neither. Okay, underneath here, well, you can't see it now because it's covered in dirt and crud, but here on the valve cover you have this verboten muscle tough.
I am so used to driving on the Autobahn.
Whatever stuff. Damn, this thing is in the way. If I'm here, might as well check my oil. Man, I do not record. The Romanian ones have Roman written on them. The Hungarian ones have the Raba logo here. This is written in German. It only says M.A.N., which makes me wonder if this thing had its engine replaced with an original M.A.N. engine, which might explain the fact that this thing has never had a rebuild. So either factory replacement or very early on, at least since Fitesht had it. I'm gonna go inside, check on the weather. We're gonna do a power wash, followed by lubrication, painting, repairing certain areas that are urgent as far as structural integrity and so on. Like these areas, they need to be fixed fast. We're talking about areas where there's so much dirt. I feel like I just stole half of Romania with all the dirt that came in. Alright, it's time to get to work.
Put your game face on.
You got it, boss.
That's enough. Okay. I say that's a massive improvement. Now there's still some grease, but the whole point wasn't to get all the grease completely off, but just, you know, I just see where there's a bolt, a fitting, and, you know, makes it easier to see a leak. Now here, it was already power washed, but that jackalope that did the straps, apparently he doesn't believe in painting them either, so that'll be something we're going to be doing. Batteries, still have a lot of this mud here, man. It's a lot of mud. This came out clean. obviously rusty as hell. And man, we're gonna have a lot of sheet metal, and I think that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be replacing things like that, but this is gonna give me a lot of practice to get some nice welds.
You and I both know there's something wrong with this situation.
And you may be wondering, well, gee, DAC man, how are you gonna weld? This bastard. Oh yeah, baby. That'll weld your socks off.
Are you ready for the fun part?
Yeah, I know. I probably look like I just came out of a sewer.
It'll be fun. I don't think so.
Yeah, that hurt. Okay.
I am all that is man.
What was that? Yeah. I can't see anything anymore. I managed to clean the air regulator. Check that out. That's my Bosch fuel pump. And there's that engine, man. Nice and clean. Ventilspiel. Kaltel Maschine einstellen. Einlass 0.2 mm. Austas etwas, no, Austas 0.25 mm. Einspritzdruck 70 But whatever. Okay. My German is horrible. Yes, I know. I studied in school. Motor mount support. Nice and beefy. Just a little bit of surface corrosion. There's the transmission. All oily and gross. Whatever the hell this thing is. You have to understand, right now my glasses are coated in mud, so I can't see anything. I can barely tell that this is the dipstick. That's the engine compartment start button. I don't know where the off button would be. What in heaven's name is that? Why is there a relay just chilling over there?
Oh, fuck it.
Whatever in blue blazes this thing is. The bad news is they bolted down the hinge, so when I lifted this panel up, it ripped right from the weld. Not the best weld either, so awesomeness there. And this is probably the worst part of the bus, but look at that rot, man. I mean, everything is just holy moly. Not good. I know, I'm filthy. Let me go clean up. There's a lot of mess here that needs to be done. And I'll catch with you later. Yeah, I'm tired. Seems easier on video when you watch it, doesn't it? But I need your guys' strength. Hit that subscribe. Now it's time for my power washing. This is DAC Man Barry, and I hope you have a great ride. Corona. God damn it. That crap in my face and my... Anyway,